Japanese-inspired miso soup is super satisfying, hydrating, and has major health benefits that begin with the dried shiitake mushrooms that have been soaked in warm water. Shiitake mushrooms are known immune boosters, cholesterol reducers, and can help improve bone health. I'll also prep my scallions, which are high in vitamin C and help with iron absorption and collagen production, as well as the coconut milk for later. Once you sauteed both your fresh and dried mushrooms, as well as garlic and olive oil, you'll add local honey, which is great for allergies, and soy sauce for extra flavor. Remove the mushrooms, then use the same pot to add more garlic to saute. In fact, did you know that when you let garlic rest for 15 minutes after mincing it, it releases powerful antioxidants? Then you'll add miso, a little more soy sauce, and half the broth to deglaze the pan. Stir until smooth, then add grated ginger, the rest of the broth, and coconut milk to taste. Ginger is another incredible seasonal treat that specializes in gut health, upset stomachs, glowing skin, and can also improve immunity. Serve warm with udon noodles, scallions, the sauteed mushrooms, eggs for extra protein, chili crisp oil, and even kimchi, which has numerous probiotics and can help fight inflammation.